Well, on people, you're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to look at a video from The Cut, and it's called Porn Stars and Their Partners Play Truth or Drink. Now, obviously, porn stars are people too, so, you know, they do have relationships, but it's going to be interesting to see the questions that are asked in this Truth or Drink. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know, man. Guys, could you date a female porn star? Or girls, could you date a male porn star? We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
You won't do in a scene.
Oh, you by me. Yeah, I don't do that with anyone else. I eat all of
Whoa! Got brutally honest here.
That's fucked.
Who are you two and how do you know each other?
I am Kelly.
I'm Robbie Apples.
My name is Kate.
Nathan Bronson.
my name is Braylon Bailey.
Apollo Banks. What does your husband do for a living?
He's a porn star.
Is it safe to say you're both porn stars?
Yes, absolutely.
A porn star couple, is that rare?
That's strange.
A healthy porn star couple is rare. That's what I'd say.
Who's the porn star?
It's me. I know it doesn't look like it. She looks like the porn star.
Do people think that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I have big fake tits.
Ah.
And blonde hair.
Who wants to start? Ladies first.
Okay. What did you think when you first found out I was in porn?
You asked me before we were dating. She was just asking me as a friend if she should join. I was like, okay, sure. I don't know, it would be cool to know a porn star, so do it.
You found some of my porn. That was how you first found me, right?
Yeah.
So first time you saw him, he was sleeping with someone else.
Yes.
And you're like, this is the one.
I'm fucking dead. That is
Found
so
it in
weird.
porn, I'm like, yeah, okay, that makes a lot of sense.
Why did it make a lot of sense?
Because he's gorgeous.
Have you seen the rest of the porn performers? Gorgeous and male performer doesn't really have anything to do with each other.
Yeah.
Why? Because it don't matter if you're pretty, it just matters if you can keep your dick hard.
Who fell in love with who
The fuck?
first? I think it was at the same time.
I feel like you were such a hoe before me, and then the first.
I mean, we're
person
still
really-
kind of hoes, but
but
No.
different. But different.
I remember when
For
you
your job.
drunkenly told me that you love me.
Yeah.
It slipped out, and I was like, what did you just say? And you're like, nothing.
It's like she has
I didn't say anything. I'm like,
fangs.
did you just tell me you love me? Like, no.
what's the hardest part of your job?
Just being tired, or I definitely got better at my boundaries and what I will and won't shoot. Before I was like, oh yes, sure, whatever. But now I'm like, it's emotionally, mentally not cool to do things that you don't want to do. I guess, yeah.
No?
It's a lot more physically taxing,
What
a lot
the
more
fuck?
mentally taxing than I was ever prepared for. I can never be 100% whether my dick is going to work or not. It doesn't matter if you have.
You have no idea.
No idea. Because you don't always want to fuck these people. I don't care how much you think every girl that you want to fuck in this industry, you want to fuck them. Guess what?
Obviously, it's different.
At a time I did not want to.
I think the
Obviously,
hardest part of
it's
my job
different
is
when
just
it's your job,
having to
right?
perform with
Like,
someone.
job is definitely different. You turn anything to a job. I mean, I don't know. Maybe actually, they normally say find a job that, or get a job based off of something you love doing, and it won't feel like a job. But I don't know. Maybe everything is taxing after a while.
One who is closed off. It just feels like you're having sex with someone who doesn't completely want to have sex, but they want to make money.
Interesting.
And it's like an icky feeling. Like I'm like, why
I
are
feel
you
like you're a
doing this?
rapist,
But
basically.
if
But
your friends and family think of our relationship.
Honestly, they weren't too supportive to begin
Shocker.
with. I think a lot of people just kind of project their own insecurity onto it, and they were like, yeah, I couldn't do that, and that's
I don't think that's
not
an insecurity. It's
sustainable
weird.
dynamic.
It's 100%
they're all-
weird.
They're all cool with it now. Prove them wrong.
My friends think you're fucking dope. My friends think you're super cool. My family.
Oh, I'm sure
love
they
you too.
do.
Yeah, and your mom knows what we do, and
Yeah,
she's
my
super
mom-
I'm
like,
sure your
how-
friends think it's dope. Your fucking weird ass friends that probably go watch that shit. Weirdos.
awesome.
Make sure you guys make your money.
Yeah.
Have people pay you the correct times, the correct amounts, be on top of that.
What do your friends and family think of our relationship?
This is so
No, I want to drink.
They don't accept him, do they?
Some people do know, some others.
Is your family religious?
Yes.
Parents love me now.
Yeah, my parents do love you.
Oh
They
my
don't
God.
know that you do porn though.
They don't know what he does.
So I think so far they just think he's just a full-time stuntman.
Oh, yeah,
But my
stuntman,
dad was
alright.
like, he gets a lot of work for a stuntman.
Yeah, I'm dead.
Kate, does he do anything else? I was like, oh no, he knows.
How does your family feel about your job?
You know, I think my mom saw it coming. I mean, when I told her that I was a stripper, like long before I got in porn, she was like, I knew something like this was gonna happen.
My sister definitely knows. Most of my family knows.
Do you think your dad knows?
I think so. My dad's called me on a handful of occasions. He's like, hey, where are you getting this kind of money from? I'm like, do you really want to know? My dad's a pastor. Not like he really wants to know about this stuff,
Bro,
and I give him the option.
they
to
say
ask or not,
pastors'
so-
kids are the worst. Still, they do say pastors' kids are the worst.
Is a little bit of it kind of like a fuck you moment?
No. The whole reason I got into this, it's not.
How many people have you slept with?
I was waiting for this question. Maybe 100, around there.
I, on the other hand,
Because your personal life before.
Before I got into porn, I remember that roughly was around 100. But I've been in 7 years, and I'm working with a different girl almost every day. So the number.
So 7 different girls a week. Maybe,
Well,
maybe
sometimes-
14 if you're doing like
I did
doubles.
that 7-girl reverse gangbang like the other day.
I know it's probably.
So weird how they're
400,
talking about this shit like it's normal. Like it's actually weird.
500, somewhere around there.
Like 15? And I thought that was a lot.
I mean, for a regular person.
A whopping 25.
I thought it was 16. You fucking slut! Oh my god!
What part of my job intimidates you? Ooh, the whole thing.
yeah, I'm gonna take a shot.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why is that a hard one to answer?
It's not a hard one to answer, just there's always gonna be a little bit of jealousy. I'd say I'm more comfortable with it now, but I think it'll always be there for both of us.
What part of my job intimidates you?
The
Yeah,
fact
this is so odd.
that you're able to fuck almost anybody. Like, if I'm gonna have sex with someone, I really need to know this person.
I mean, this is how
I
she
really
found
need
him,
to
so it's a
be
little
attracted
different.
to them, but he's just able to, yeah, whatever. Let's just fuck. What was her name again? Oh yeah.
I know their names.
Does your job affect our sex life?
There are some times where I cannot be like. Most
You
of the
have
time,
to save your precious seed.
Sometimes because like he doesn't want to come because he has to keep his cum shot good for the next day, or I'm super sore.
Yeah,
he has
I'm
a
dead.
big dick, so it's like if I have sex too many times with him, then I'll be sore for my scene.
Sex is great, but
Yeah.
after a certain point, you need breaks because it gets a little tiring.
do we have boundaries when it comes to my work?
Yes, change your bed sheets.
Yeah, bed sheets.
Please.
I live in a place with one bed, and we usually shoot content on that too.
And I'm like, wait, has a girl slept in here? You're like, yeah, I'm like, change your sheets.
There's certain people that I don't
this is
necessarily
so
want you to work
strange.
with because I know how they are with women. I don't like that. I
Yeah.
don't want them to
And you
feel
don't want me
like
to
they're
shoot with anyone that has a giant dick.
Yeah, no. It's just.
Joe.
Because like it doesn't feel good, it hurts. So I'm wondering, like, do guys think that because a guy's a bigger dick, they're like
Maybe
better
it's
than
an
them or
ego
something?
thing as a guy. I don't know.
It doesn't make any sense to me.
What do you do with me that you won't do in a scene?
The thing I do with you that I don't do with anyone else is just have those intimate moments of closeness, which is more beautiful than what I actually get to have in a porn scene.
I mean, when we have sex, I'm like giving you all, like every ounce of my love, you know, and I don't do that in my scenes.
What do you do with me that you won't do in a scene?
Oh, you cream pie me. Yeah, I don't do that with anyone else.
I come in you, yeah.
Yeah. I eat your ass. I'll let.
Whoa! Got brutally honest here.
Have you ever thought about leaving me? Yeah, I know. I don't even know why you're worried about saying that. That's fine.
I was a little panicked early on, wondering if this was something I could do.
Have you ever thought about leaving me?
Yeah.
I feel like we both.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a shot.
Honestly, I think we both had the
What
conversation.
couples don't get in arguments?
Yeah.
Never, ever,
I mean, these
ever,
arguments are
ever.
different. These guys are
Do you
odd.
think about me when you're having sex with other people?
Sometimes, yes. There's been definitely a handful of times when I'm
Does it
doing a
help?
scene and I'm just like this. Let's think about her eating my ass at the same time. There we go. That's the.
Like if it's a really horrible scene, like I'm just like, fuck, there's no way. Like this is taking too long.
You
And
think of me?
sometimes I will, yeah.
Wow.
These guys are weird.
Like maybe I wasn't feeling the energy in the scene, and I was okay. Just pretend. Okay, I'm having sex with Callie. Yes. Sunshine and rainbows.
This
What about
whole
that
thing
time
is so
I was on
weird.
set with you, when I was actually there watching.
Oh, that was super hot.
Yeah?
Super hot. Yeah.
Okay.
There was one time she actually came to set and she watched 2 of her scenes. So she was trying to
Normalize it.
normalize what I
Sure.
do.
It was good.
Like knowing she was there watching, you'd be able to look over her once in a while. She's like,
He kept glancing over at me every now and then. He's like,
Yo, I'm dead.
If I wanted you to, would you leave the industry for me?
I would never leave the industry altogether. I would definitely
Strange.
start doing more OnlyFans, but it would have to be equal. That's what it'd have to be. It would have to as both be doing OnlyFans.
Okay.
I wouldn't just me leave and you still be in the industry. Never.
Okay. That's fair. Yeah.
Would
This
you
girl
leave
said
the
she's not
industry
tired of her
for
hole
me?
getting destroyed.
Would I quit for you in the long run? If we, yeah.
You would? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That's like huge. All right.
I hate these people anyway.
I don't know. If it
Chad's
was
not
like
getting a job again.
transition, and I was on board with it. Sure.
No, that's what they're asking you. Would you be on board for it?
This was never my goal job in the first place.
Okay.
I like doing it because I'm good at it, you know? If we're gonna have this life together, it's like you wanted that, I'd probably do it, yeah.
Oh, sweetheart. That's a big deal. Oh, thanks for the titty poke.
These guys
Why
are
do
odd
you
as fuck.
think we stay together?
I think we're incredibly compatible. I think we build each other up and we want the best out of each other.
I think we both create a safe space for each other to express our feelings and our emotions and ideas.
Of course, because we love each other, but we're honest. I'm very forgiving, and
Because you're very forgiving.
fuck
Jesus.
yeah.
That's why we stay together?
I feel like because I think about it and I'm like, is it really worth destroying a relationship over something so small?
Yeah, fair.
Like, it's more what you can go through and heal from and bond.
Why do you think we stay together?
I think we stay together because when it comes
I
down
think
to
these
it,
two are the
I'm
most,
something
like,
that you
grounded.
needed
Yeah.
through the times. All your relationships never gave you the freedom or the love that I would. And I want you to feel like the woman who can do anything because you haven't had that in your relationships, and I want to make sure that you feel that in ours. I love you.
I love you so much.
Honest, I don't know if I could do that. Definitely not like, oh, I'm together and then she decides to go get that job. Maybe if I met her that way and I'm just like, yo, I just don't think about it. But consciously thinking about it, there's no way in fucking hell I could do that, man. But let me know what you guys could do or not do. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to drop that like, man. I'll see you guys later.